Welcome to another install video. Today I'm going to be doing some pretty basic stuff. I'm going to be putting on the brand new C3 foot pegs. Let's get started. So for the foot pegs, it's going to be pretty simple. Basically on this KTM, we just have to take off this cotter pin, pop the pin through, and then install the C3 foot pegs. These are great because the fact that they're so large, you don't get the snow that piles and sloughs up inside these smaller areas. These are fantastic for dirt, but when it comes to filling up with snow, they were never engineered for that. So we put an engineered snow bike guard on. Great for snow biking and fantastic for evacuating the snow that might build up under your foot, which always causes us to get slippery feet. And it's pretty aggressive cleat on this, so it's going to really bite into your boot and help you stay on the pegs when you need it the most. I've discovered that these are replacement cotter pins by the looks of it, opposed to getting a cotter pin like this, which I have a lot of. You can use the cotter pins that are supplied by C3. That's pretty slick. I like those. And that's it. Same thing on the other side, your C3 foot pegs are on. Last look at this foot peg. Beautiful, awesome. They come in all sorts of different colors. You can get them in green, silver, orange, red, blue, black. They fit all sorts of manufacturers. They have KTM, Husqvarna. They've got Honda, Kawasaki, Beta, Yamaha. And hopefully for you Sherco guys, they'll come out with a system for you, or maybe one of the other bike manufacturers are identical, who knows, or you can just retrofit something. But great foot peg, awesome for snow biking, and thanks to C3 for their support. Check us out in our next video when we decide to install the intake, the new air intake on this bike, and what we have to do to the factory KTM bike here in order for the C3 kit to fit. So stay tuned, see you soon.